Hi friends, it's Stacy at Florida Life Real Estate Agency and Mobile Home Sales. I'd like to show you around this home today, so let's get to it. This home is located in Bayshore Windmill Village. It's at 603 63rd Avenue West. This is lot S-10. For pricing and more information on this home, please see the description under the title below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to be notified for future videos. This is a 1971 double-wide home with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. There's a double-length carport along with this nice covered patio area. And yes, the golf cart does come with the home. There are 2 entrances into the home, and we'll enter through the dining room kitchen area. This home is being sold turnkey furnished, so what you see in the video is what you will receive at the sale. The range was replaced in 2022, along with plenty of cabinet space and countertops. The vinyl backsplash was redone recently. The living room is a nice open plan leading into the east-facing enclosed lanai area. This is a nice sunny sitting area, and you can see here the other entrance into the home. Down the hallway, we have a kitchen pantry on our right and a laundry pantry on the left with the washer. The dryer is located in the oversized storage shed. The main bathroom has a shower tub enclosure, a nice little seating area, and a good counter space with cabinetry. The second bedroom has a generous closet size and is located on the rear of the home. The primary bedroom has 2 closets and a built-in dresser. And you have an ensuite bathroom with a step-in shower and generous linen closet. We'll take a peek in the kitchen pantry closet. Now for a little info on this cherry red golf cart. This is a 2009 Star Classic golf cart. The batteries were replaced in 2022 along with a new paint job, decals, LED lights, and the seats have been reupholstered. Down the breezeway, you'll see the double-length storage shed. This is where your dryer is located, along with plenty of room for a workshop area. All of the vinyl siding is in great condition and just had a recent power wash. Some additional noteworthy information on this home: the air conditioning system was replaced in 2022 and the roof was replaced in 2018. For more information and pricing on this home, please see the description under the title below. Bayshore Windmill Village is a 55 plus gated community. It offers pickleball, shuffleboard, swimming pool, library with billiards, a clubhouse with lots of social activities. Thanks again for checking out this Florida Life listing. If you have any questions about this home or others that might be available, feel free to give me a call or text at 941-809-1318. Again, it's 941-809-1318. I'm always happy to set up a personalized search for you to find just the right home for you. And if you're thinking about listing your home, Florida Live can help you with all your real estate needs, including manufactured housing in land lease parks. I'd love to hear from you. Once again, our phone number is 941-809-1318. You can also find us on the web at floridaliferealestateagency.com or floridalifemobilehomesales.com. No matter how you find us, I'll be happy that you did. Have a great day, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye for now. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to be notified for future videos.